Make a great choice today with the 2021 Kona. The Hyundai Kona provides a wide variety of functionality in a small SUV body. The energetic design is perfect for those looking to marry their adventurous side with their urban lifestyle and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, rear spoiler, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.